Hi everyone, I'm Robin Gauthier with NextHome Tidewater Realty, and this week I had a rare opportunity to tour a brand new construction neighborhood that's being built in Virginia Beach in the Strawbridge area. And this isn't going to be just any other neighborhood. It is going to be luxury living. So we're going to dive right into what makes White Oak Manor so unique, from its thoughtful design to its incredible location. So let's start exploring here. So White Oak Manor is going to have 38 home sites. It isn't going to be a sprawling development. It is a carefully curated collection of homes where luxury is truly included. Kirbor Homes has 12 distinct floor plans that you could choose from. And the neighborhood is going to start out at over $1 million, and you can get a home up to 4,000 square feet. And you can see that the homes are already actually selling, with some already under contract or the lots reserved. So if you're interested, act now before it's too late. And also keep in mind that it's going to take them 10 to 12 months to build your dream home when you pick out your lot. So let's talk about these floor plans. From the moment you step out into White Oak Manor, you're going to see that you have a diverse range of floor plans, from cottages to grand estates. They have 12 distinct designs, ensuring there's a perfect fit for every lifestyle and vision. So whether you need 3 bedrooms or 5 bedrooms, or if you need up to 4 bathrooms, Kirbor Homes has options that cater to your specific needs. And keep in mind that the prices can change, and some premium pond lots have an additional home site premium. But the variety here is truly exceptional. And what about the features that come standard in these homes? Let's take a look at that. So what truly sets White Oak Manor apart is that its luxury isn't an upgrade. It's the standard. Every home comes with signature included features that you typically pay extra for elsewhere. Think gourmet kitchens with quartz countertops, and GE profile appliances, and primary suite spas featuring full tile showers and freestanding soaking tubs. Plus, the construction itself is premium with fiber cement siding, tankless water heaters, and zoned energy-efficient HVAC systems. These are the details that make everyday living feel extraordinary, and all of this is nestled in an absolutely prime location. White Oak Manor boasts a prime location in Strawbridge, Virginia Beach, putting everything you need right at your fingertips. You can literally walk across the street for dinner at the new Sedona Taphouse or grab a bite at Taste. We're nestled between luxury neighborhoods like the Estates at Munden Farms and Asheville Park, and just minutes from Red Mill and Lansdowne Common shopping centers. Plus, the Virginia Beach oceanfront is only about 20 minutes away. It's the perfect blend of convenience and community, and it's also served by some excellent schools. When you're looking at a new home, especially for families, schools are always top of mind. And White Oak Manor is zoned in some of Virginia Beach's most sought-after schools. We're talking about Three Oaks Elementary, Princess Anne Middle, and the highly rated Kellam High School. These are all fantastic schools known for strong academics and a wide range of extracurriculars. But just remember, school assignments can change, so always verify with the City of Virginia Beach first. Now let's start talking about maximizing your return. So if you're thinking about making a move, you're probably wondering how to get the most money out of your current home. It's all about strategic pricing and professional marketing. First, you need to get a professional valuation. You don't want to guess. Let the data tell you what your home is truly worth in today's market. Then price it right from day one. Overpricing can cost you money in the long run. And of course, you need to invest in presentation. You need professional photos, staging, and curb appeal are non-negotiable for top dollar. We'll also leverage targeted digital marketing to reach the widest pool of qualified buyers. And finally, you need to work with an expert like me who understands the Virginia Beach market and the new construction timelines. I myself have also bought a home with Kirbor Homes, and I had to sell my home at the same time. So I have firsthand experience on how to make this happen. And so this leads us right into the winning move up game. So if you're ready to move up to a new construction home, but you also need to sell your current one, this is where we win the move up game. First, we'll get a home equity analysis so you know exactly what you can leverage your new build. We'll also align your current home's listing date with the builder's completion estimation, so you're not moving twice. We can explore options like bridge loans or rent backs to make sure that transition seems seamless. And it's crucial to work with an agent experienced in new construction contracts. They're different from resale, and you need someone protecting your interest. We'll keep you informed every step of the way, and all of this brings us to your next step. Your next move, whether it's selling, buying, or both, starts with a simple conversation. If you're a seller, let's schedule a complimentary home analysis. And for buyers, I'd love to book a new construction consultation to kick off your search. And for everyone, I'm here to answer all of your real estate questions. You can comment checklist for a free home seller's checklist or scan the QR code to schedule an appointment with me. Again, I'm Robin Gauthier, broker owner of NextHome Tidewater Realty, and I'm ready to help you make your next move.